Start. Good morning, children. We are familiar from class 8. And after a long gap, I have appeared before you to teach first history. There are only 4 or 5 chapters which will be taught in the whole year. The first chapter is French Revolution. There are so many revolutions in the world. French Revolution, which took place in 1789, American Revolution, which took place from 1776 to 1783. In 83, America got freedom. Glorious Revolution of 1688, Chinese Revolution in 1919, Indian nationalist movement, which took place from 1857 to 1947. And Jasmine Revolution, which took place in 2012. So there are so many revolutions, but we have to study only 2 revolutions in this book, French Revolution and Russian Revolution. Today I am going to teach French Revolution. During French Revolution, Louis XVI was the monarch of France. He was quite indifferent to the administration and he was squandering the money with his wife. His wife was more spending money lavishly. So the people was disappointed and disgusted with his maladministration. There were so many causes of the French Revolution. There are 4 causes here which has been displayed on the blackboard. Social cause. What was the social cause? I want to explain before you. The entire French population was divided into 3 categories. The first state, second state, and the third state. The first state belonged to clergymen, second state belonged to nobility, and third state belonged to common people, and means elite persons, educated class of France. And lowest in the third state there was the proletarian class. According to Karl Marx, proletarian class means haves not. There are only 2 castes. On the basis of economy, haves and have-nots. The proletarian class are have-nots. The first state and the second state were privileged class. They have all the powers, social power, economic power, political power, and the third state was cipher. The cause, social cause, was so big that the total land of French geographical area was under the possession of the first and second state. Means 60% land were occupied by them. Only 40% land was under the possession of the third state. And the population in the French and the total population of the third state was 90% in French population, and 10% was of first and second states. So this was the bone of contention of social cause. Economic cause. There were 2 taxes which were imposed on the third state, tithe and taille. Tithe was collected from the third state and sent to the clergymen, and taille was collected and sent to the king. The third state was charged taxes, and the first and second states were exempted from paying taxes. Means they were exempted because they were privileged class, and the third state was not privileged. He had so many objections, so many burdens on them. So even in natural disaster, they had to pay the taxes. So the people of the third state were disgusted from his administration. And the 30% of the total French national income was spent on the monarch, his wife, his children in the castles. And remaining 70% was spent in development work, salaries of the workers, and etc. Political cause. There were 300 representatives of the first and second states were sitting inside the parliament in chairs, and they have given all facilities. But 600 representatives of the third state, they had to stand against the wall around the parliament. They had no facility to sit in. This was the direct insult of the representatives of the third state. And Louis XVI was involved in war with his neighboring countries. So the people of France was disappointed. He was squandering money lavishly on superfluous matter, but not on constructive matter. There are so many causes, and immediate cause. What was immediate cause? Once upon a time, a meeting was held at Bastille. Bastille is a place in the eastern part of Paris. There was the meeting of the Jacobin Club, which was spearheaded by the Maximilien Robespierre. Maxime Robespierre was the head and the president of Jacobin Club. The meeting was going on. In the meantime, a wicked person reached there and flashed a rumor. The King Louis XVI was to send troops to arrest you all. On this, the attendants who were sitting in the conclave got angry and became violent and aggressive and rushed to the Bastille jail. By taking boulders, strikers, and arms and ammunitions, and reached there and struck the gate and the windows of the Bastille jail. After some time, the captives who were kept inside the jail fled away from the jail. This proved that there was no law and order situation in France. After that, under the leadership of Maximilien Robespierre, a gang reached to the castle and entered the castle, and he nabbed the king, and he was dragged out, and he was put inside the jail under the allegation of treason. The case was going on, and Louis XVI was hanged to death in 1793 when the Paris Supreme Court decided for him capital punishment. After his assassination, after 1 month, his beautiful wife Marie Antoinette was caught and she was guillotined. What was guillotine? Guillotine was a machine which was invented by Dr. Guillotine. It was a machine to cut the head of the people.